Menteri Rangba Abarim ke Jela Meghalaya bat nong thau an ke All India Trinamool Congress na songsak Dr. Mukul sangma ula penksan ba ke jingkan tho chungu halor ke jinge dei Menteri Rangba mementa ke Jela Conrad ke sangma bat usuba khai dawai penbuai kadai ban maham ya keman syukro ba Dr. Mukul la kontho juri Conrad haba shim menta ke jinge tai halor ke jingkiu ke kam khai ba ke jingpen kam drok ke Jela men khat khandai trek nai lur arjar fly ha ke Dorbar sunrai jo ke Ïing Dorbar thau an ke Jela ya kani ke jingkan tho la weng na ke jing tho ke Ïing Dorbar do lampang Thomas sangma haka singi ke bobot haba kran shikilat phai khubor ke no phai singi artrek nai lur ajar fly hadin ki khubor bu Henry Lalrem sanga chairman ke 2B's group of companies ula ai de legal notice yu Dr. Mukul la ther tenge yu Conrad ubalara e ke gamat ïakren shabar ke Ïing Dorbar ula ong ba ke legal notice ka de ban long yu Conrad ban kaliang chung u unsapai I kendon ki bodon haka.
Let me see the legal notice. If the legal notice has been served, I have to receive it. So I'll wait. I will see what type of legal notice is given and what are the provisions of law under which he is sending me this notice. There are also certain aspects which they will be knowing, their legal team will be knowing. So we'll deal with them as they come.
But
That's why I'm saying. That's why I'm saying which provision of law provides him that opportunity to send me that legal notice will be examined. Because you have also seen one thing. Inside the August House, my statement is very clear, It has been more of an advisory to the Honorable Chief Minister. It is only the Chief Minister who has taken it outside the House. He should send a legal notice to the Chief Minister. No, I will not comment because those are available. But I will not comment since I have not seen the notice. So it's up to the media to interpret in whatever way you like. But I would rather say what I have said in the House is available. It is in the public domain, though it has been expunged subsequently. But please remember one thing. After my submission in the August House, with a clear intent, the intent is reflected of my way of submission of the facts. Okay. In the interest of the people, keeping in mind the kind of situation that is now prevailing in the state, not only in the state of Meghalaya, but across Northeast, and the kind of situation which is considered alarming. That's the only reason why this issue was brought. There were too many issues pertaining to this same topic. There was a 0-hour notice, there was a one under Rule 54, then another one in the form of motion where we participated. So look at the issue. Why has this issue been tabled by honorable members of this August House, both from the opposition and the treasury benches? Obviously, this particular situation has drawn the attention of everybody. Alarming situation has cropped up in the recent year. In last 5 years, the concern that is being reflected is because of what has happened in last 5 years, the exponential growth of supply chain, creating that easy access to the end users. That is a matter of concern. That is the responsibility of the government to see how we can go after the supply chain. Okay, how to go against after supply chain. There are relevant laws. There are relevant laws to deal with this. But then, are the relevant laws enough? Are the relevant laws being effectively implemented? Those are questions to be raised. And that's what exactly is done in the House, whether it is in Parliament, whether it is in the assemblies, by the respective state legislatures and the Parliament. Now, in as far as this case is concerned, after having raised this issue, what was spoken by me pertaining to that issue inside the House is available. But outside the House, when the Chief Minister himself started speaking outside the House, he should send this legal notice to the CM only. And until I see the legal notice, provisions of the Constitution pertaining to the privileges that is provided for the members of both state legislatures and the Parliament. Okay. I refer to the media article. You see, you are talking about somebody's, whatever has happened. I also have narrated the year, date also, you see. So what does it indicate? I have narrated the date. So it is up to others to read between the lines.